we're just going for a walk down this and a hunt for a lizard. There's a little park, industrial area over there. And we'll feed you the roly-poly, which I'll take on the end of the video. And there's the dog park. And I just wanted to video, see where the water level was up to after a couple of days worth of rain that we had. Now we're not going to the dog park. We're going for a walk. Look, birdies. She wants birdies. She wants birdies. Wants those little coots swimming around. Family of coots. She said, let me at them. Let me at them. I want them so bad. I just want to play with them and munch them, and the water's running. A little creek there's running. That's something. Oh no, water. Go play in water. You get all muddy again. I like getting muddy. Look at your back feet already. Wolf is joining in this time. Ah dear, crazy puppy. I'll see you, everybody. Have a good day. See ya. Roly-polies. Oh, so hot and humid, isn't it? So hot and humid. And somebody's disturbing you doing roly-polies. It's a nice big trailer, that. Nice big trailer. Oh, roly-poly. Good stuff. Going this way.